Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have React and Tailwind. Now add the font. First, choose the Google font and select weights you need, because fewer weights mean faster loads. Once chosen, import the font via an add import in a CSS file or use a package to download files locally. Make sure to place the import in src/index. CSS so Tailwind processes it. This ensures the font is included in your build pipeline and avoids flash of unstyled text during first paint. Once done importing, connect the font to Tailwind. Define a font family key in Tailwind. Config, JS under theme. Extend, font family, map a short name to your font stack and save. Then use that class, like class name equals font sans custom, in components. Make sure the CSS import appears before at Tailwind base, components, utilities so base styles can reference it. Also update content paths so purge CSS keeps utility classes. Otherwise, classes might be removed during production builds. You're almost done. Apply the Tailwind font class across your app and inspect with DevTools to confirm the custom font loads. Build a production bundle and verify font files are requested and served. Choose font display swap or optional to control rendering. If you see the fallback font, check the import path, ensure requested weights exist, and confirm Tailwind. Config. JS content includes all component folders so classes are not purged. One tip: enable local hosting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.